Hi guys, today we will do 3 simple braids, perfect for beginners. If you are new here, this is another braids channel where I upload new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below to never miss a video. If you are already a subscriber, I would like to thank you for your support. The first hairstyle is a pull-through braided ponytail. All you'll need are some elastics. Pull up sections from both sides, and secure with an elastic. Pull up sections from both sides again, just under your first section, and secure with an elastic. Now you go back and really pull, puff and fluff your pull-out sections. Keep repeating these steps. The second hairstyle is a simple Dutch braid. Take some hair at the top and separate it into 3 equal sections. Take the left section and crosses under the middle one. Now take the right section and cross it under the middle. Now we will start adding more hair into our braid. Take a small section of the hair that's already down on the left side and combine it with the current left section. As always, cross them both under the middle. Now do the same thing on the right side. Take some hair and combine it with the right section. Cross that combined section under the middle section. And that's the whole technique. It may seem complicated at first, but as soon as you understand and learn the basics, you will be braiding a professional Dutch braid in no time. Continue braiding all the way down until the nape of your neck. Add more hair in on the right, cross under the middle. Add more hair in on the left, cross under the middle, until all your hair is braided. When you get to the nape of your neck, finish it off with a regular 3-strand braid. The third hairstyle is a reversed fishtail braid. Divide off a section at the top of the head and split it into 2 equal pieces. Take a small piece from the outside edge of the section on the left side, cross it underneath and add it into the section on the right side. Divide off a small section from the outer edge on the right side, cross it underneath and incorporate it into the section on the left. Cross a small section from the left side under to the right. Then pick up a new section of hair from the left side of the head, cross it underneath adding it into the right side. Cross a small piece from the right side under to the left. Pick up a new section of hair from the right side of the head, cross it underneath the right section adding it into the left half. Repeat these steps, crossing small sections under to the opposite side and incorporating hair into the braid until the braid reaches the nape of the neck and all of the hair is brought in. Now braid the rest of the section to the bottom in a regular braid, crossing small sections under to the opposite side until reaching the ends. Tie off the braid with a clear elastic band. Gently pull on the edges of the braid to make it wider and more full. This braided looks are super fun for a birthday party, back to school, or just a cute way to wear your hair in the summer. Hope you liked this braids, and if you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. If you decide to recreate these hairstyles, hashtag another braid and tag me on Instagram so I can see your creations. I upload videos twice a week, so be sure to subscribe to my channel to be in the loop. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.